In this video, I'm going to explain how I make per day $100 and how to earn money online in 2023 using ChatGPT for beginners, as well as the actual step-by-step technique that I used to generate over $6,000 totally free. Even if you are a total newbie, there is no capital needed, and this strategy works globally. The best thing is that you do not need any expertise at all. Let's get started. Start with creating a Fiverr account. After this, you may start producing product descriptions or even writing articles for a minimal price. You will be able to speed up your workflow now because you have ChatGPT. Put a good description there, and if people hire your services, you can use ChatGPT to complete your copywriting project, modify it, and then deliver it back to the client and collect payment. Is it that simple, guys? There are more marketplaces available, such as Upwork, as well as many more other than Fiverr. Post your services on all platforms to get more work, and you'll be surprised how far you can get with it. And a bonus tip for you: go to Canva and create marketing posters of your services and post it on social media. If you have any queries, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, comment, and share if you like more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?